Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanjukta and hey, see my new member, beautiful Erika Palm. So मैं नहा धा के आ गई हूँ. आज मैं फेशियल शेव करने वाली हूँ. तो उससे पहले फेस वॉश नहीं करना है, स्क्रब भी नहीं करना है. तो इससे क्या होता है, अपना फेस बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाता है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले हम लोग एलोवेरा जेल और कोई मॉइस्चराइज़र और फोम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड देन उसके बाद हम लोग अपना शेविंग शुरू कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, तो फिर शेविंग शुरू करने से पहले मैं अपना बाल बंद लेती हूँ तो फिर कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो. एंड यू कैन सी अ न्यू मेंबर ऑन माय फेस, so it's a difficult task to do a shaving while having a pimple on your face. So as you can see, I have lots of hair on my face, on my upper lip, on my cheeks, on my earlocks. So let's start this. तो पहले मैं अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ एलोवेरा जेल बाय द फेस शॉप, द जेजू वन. as you can see, it's a clear aloe vera gel. So I am applying this with my hand, clean hand, to all over my face. This aloe vera gel is very cool and calming in nature, so you will feel very refreshing while applying this aloe vera gel on your face. Okay, application is almost done. So now I will start the shaving with this razor. But wait, ऐसे razor नहीं करेंगे.
So first we will clean our razor with soap or anything, otherwise it will make our skin very sensitive and irritated.
So what you will do, you will shave like this, not like this. So as you can see how I am doing or how I am removing my facial hair, just follow this. And I am ignoring that part where I have grown this painful pimple. You have to ignore that part. You don't need to touch that. And if you found this removing my facial hair with razor very gross, then you can skip this part. Again I am applying aloe vera gel for final touch. Okay, now it's time for eyebrow, and for eyebrow I'm going to use this very cute razor by the brand Miniso, and it's a very cute little mini razor, and it has a very good quality blade. Also it has a very good closer or dhakkan, as you can see. So first I will clean my eyebrow area with this cotton, and then I will start removing my extra hair from my eyebrow area. As you can see that I'm trying to give a shape to my eyebrow with this mini eyebrow razor. Also you have to be very careful while doing your eyebrows because it's a very tiny area. If you do any mistake it will ruin your whole face, though regular practice will make you expert. As you can see that I'm doing nothing, I'm just removing my extra hair from the eyebrow area, and it's giving me a fuller thick eyebrow. Okay, my eyebrows are done, so now it's time for clean my face. So after cleaning my face I will dry my face with this towel. So what you have to do is you have to remove your water by tapping motion. Okay, so it will make your skin more healthier. You can see that my skin looks so refreshing and smooth. I feel so good. So after completing my shaving ritual I will do some skin care. So उसके लिए मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ this lavender water by Kama Ayurveda. So there are more options like aroma magic, khadi and lavender rose water. So before applying this I'm going to shake this toner, and I will apply it to all over my face, and now I feel so refreshing, as you can see. And now I will dab on my skin so that it can easily penetrate into my skin, and I will leave my face for 1 minute to absorb into my skin. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have any doubts or queries, then you can leave comment in my comment section below. I will answer each and every question of yours. So I will see in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and families. Okay, bye.